welcome back to Renpet Bath Beauty. We're making another new soap that I have not made yet, and then we are going to go on our summer extravaganza starting next week. So, I was originally going to call this song Dirty Laundry by Don Henley, and the scent is black linen and amber. And my daughter-in-law was like, wait, I have a better song. And she played me the song. She wrote me down the name of it. The song is called Mind Games, and the artist is Sickick, something like this, Sickick. The song is absolutely gorgeous, and I think I said a few videos ago that like R&B is like, I have a really weak spot. If I had any genre to pick from, that would be my favorite. And this guy is amazing. I'm gonna have to start listening to him. But anyway, I probably said it last week when I was doing Champagne Life by Neo. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do, this is my Hawthorne recipe. So in my bucket, I have my yogurt and my heavy cream, and in my lye water, it is distilled water, sodium hydroxide, salt and sugar, and I'm going to get this to a very light emulsification because I have not worked with this fragrance before. I'm not sure how it's going to react. There's only one new summer one I'm going to do, so that next week's going to be a little bit, harrowing too, so we'll see how it goes. But anyway, I'm going to get this all mixed up and we'll go over the colors. All the emulsifying I am going to do. Now, I tried to make sort of an amber color. It's a little bit browner and, as Ava would say, poopy color. I would like, but, such is life, right? And then I'm going to do just a hair of white. I mean, like just maybe a third of a cup. Yeah. And then the rest of it is all going to be black. So let's get our activated charcoal in here first. Of course, everything will need to be stick blended. That's what I get for putting it in an old pill bottle. Excuse me, reaching over you. I usually do this, I mix my activated charcoal and oil and then transfer it, but I didn't do this week. And I don't need to worry about that there's black in there because I'm not technically stick blending the white. I am going to use my frother. But I do need to... Dang it, Sue Lynn, what are you doing? Get as much black off of here as possible because I do have to do my other color with it. Okay. Alrighty, so let me get my white together here. La da da, bloop. That's been my new mixing technique with my white. Oh, shoot, are my batteries dead? Oh no! My batteries are dead, y'all. Do I not have any down here? I always had batteries in this cupboard. Well, guess what? Let me see how well this is gonna stir in here. Oh, are you down here?
I'm trying to find my phone.
Oh, I don't know. Can you do me a really big favor?
Sure.
I was going to blend the white with my frother and the batteries are dead and all I have is AAA down here, not AA.
I'm gonna need it.
Just 2. I thought I had a whole, freaking package of them. Yeah, well, let me look in my other drawer. Sorry, guys. Yeah, because that definitely needs to be blended better. Because that should be stark white, not cream colored. But while she does that, I'm going to mix all these colors up and we'll come back and hand stir the fragrance in. Let's get this off of here. This is not as black as I would like it to be, and I put a lot of activated charcoal in there. Well, we'll see what happens. We shall see. I know this has vanillin in it, so I will not be putting it in anything but the black. So I think it is 4%, something like that. I'd have to look it up. So it'll darken up. Got a lot of bubbles, you guys. Okay, so let's pour this in there. Please don't race. Please don't do anything bad. I've got some mild racing. I mean, I might be able to hand stir it out. Sometimes you can, sometimes you can't. Let me see. I'd rather not. I mean, it lessened, yes, but I would rather just stick blend it really quick. Not much races in my Hathor recipe, but you know, sometimes you get those ones. There's a lot more. Even florals don't tend to race in my Hathor recipe, but forget about it in my Isis recipe. Okay, what do we got? Yeah, perfect. Perfect, perfect. And I did not stir this one after I stick blended it, so sorry. And these are going to be nice and fluid. And see, the color got better. So I'm probably going to angle you guys down for the pour. Let me move this out of the way. I'm all over the place. Put Judy over here. Yeah, I'm going to angle you guys down just a little bit. And bring you in closer, closer. Oh, this way. Okay. So let's get some black in here. I'm going to fill it about 1/3 of the way up. And what I want to happen, not sure that it's gonna, but what I want to happen is I am going to drop this white, all of it, as much down the center as I can. All of it. Woo! You know, sorry I'm being so quiet. It's been a really rough day, y'all. I needed to talk to you guys. Just needed to be making soap and have a bit of a peaceful mind today. It's been a very unpeaceful day. Oh, doesn't everybody hate drama? I hate drama. Okay, gold is, or the amber color is gonna go all over just like I would a normal drop swirl. And I'm gonna save some of it for the top. And then my black, which I'm gonna pour from as high as possible without getting it all over the table. Or the counter, I mean. Y'all knew what I meant. Or the mold if I can help it. Apparently I can't help that. Okay. I mean, bang it. Oh, this is that mold. Ugh. That does that thing. Hold on. Boy, I had some serious air holes come up on that one. I gotta pull this one this way. Oh, my gloves are like you know, I think I told you guys a while back that my granddaughter wants me to grow my nails out. So now my gloves don't fit right because I have nails now. Alright, I'm gonna do some gold on the top. And I think I'm gonna add some of my gold mica that I have in oil on the top of this too before I do my swirl, which is over here. Oh, there it is, somewhere. I gotta mix it up really quick. And this is in castor oil. I didn't do it in olive oil this past time, so it's pretty thick. I'm gonna Excuse me. Sorry. I'm going to do it with a spoon. Because like I said, it's way thicker. I just want a little bit of shimmer on the top because the amber color, while it's pretty close, it's not quite what I was looking for. You know, that's what happens when you mix colors. Unfortunately, while yes, I am a painter and I know how to mix colors, it doesn't always turn out right, and I don't want to use up all my mica. Okay. And should I do the swirl like this and then back up the other side, or an infinity swirl? Oh, questions. I think I'm gonna do it like this. So we're gonna go down this way, stop, and go the opposite direction this way. And then we're gonna try to not have to use our potato peeler. And of course I will alcohol this bad boy. And there is Mind Games. Oh, I like that. I like the way, because it's kind of funny, the amber color is really close to the gold, but the gold just like pops off of there. And I know my camera's not going to pick it up, but it really does. It pops off of there, so that's pretty cool. Alright guys, so in 18 to 24 hours, we will cut this baby and see how she turned out. We'll see if it's my vision or not. Bye guys. We are back to cut Mind Games. See how this turned out. I'm hoping this turned out the way that I wanted. Oh, paper towel would be helpful. I have to tighten this again. Okay. I only waited about 18 hours for this one. Oh, I like it. I like the colors for sure. And it doesn't bother me now that I'm looking at it that it's not as black as I would have liked it. There we go. And this side. I wonder if it looks brown in the camera. It's definitely not brown. It's more of a really, really dark gray. I'm wondering how much shadow you guys are getting because I don't have my other light on. I don't have my ring light on because I'm also going to be cutting next week's soap after I cut this soap, because I made them both on the same night. And that's an all white soap. Well, I mean, it's a white base soap, I should say. It's not an all white soap. Although I'm really curious. So you guys are going to have to wait and see next week. Haha, I get to see today. Just messing with you. 2, 4, 6, 7. This will be 8. And 9. Oh, doesn't look like I'm going to get an M piece off of this one. So, but I do like the way that the glitter came out right there. Or not the glitter, the mica that I put on the top of it. Alright guys, thanks for sticking with me. I very much appreciate it, and I will see you next week. Bye bye.